What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on BitTorrent BTT, which as you guys can clearly see has gone for a major increase in value, and it is up just about 90% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this figure here. So we're going to be looking at why has it had a sudden pump over the last, let's say, a couple of hours. Earlier this morning it did pump about 110%, but as you guys can see has dropped a little bit over the last couple of hours. So we're going to be looking at what is next for BitTorrent. Is it going to keep pumping, or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to look at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024, what my expectations are from BitTorrent. Is it worth investing into it? Should you sell it right now, take out your profit, or should you hold on to it going into 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of BitTorrent, which is here in purple. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we of course have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, this is not realistic because it's looking so steep because of the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours, thinking that it's going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting in between that time BitTorrent to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment, but an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. Dropping below this figure here ending in 080 is where I'm expecting it to drop below to by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But that does not mean it's not going to pump up anymore. If it will go through another pump, or a couple of more pumps over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. I'm not expecting it to keep pumping in that direction. It's not really sustainable if it does that, and it is very, very unlikely that it will do that anyway. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I am expecting BitTorrent to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially to have dropped back down to where it was trading around very early this morning or yesterday, down to 0. Couple of zeros here, 50 is where I'm expecting it to drop down to, because guys, the crypto is pumped up in value out of nowhere. It's gone for a major increase in value, which has not happened over the last, I would say, about a couple of months or even years, and out of nowhere it's pumped up in value, meaning this is not sustainable. So its next target is for it to drop back down. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks again still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, so it is once again not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting BitTorrent to have once again dropped back down in value. But once it drops all the way back down to where it was trading at around yesterday or the day before, it will slowly and steadily gain value at a very slow pace, like it has been doing over the last couple of months, should I say, since about October time. It's been gaining a decent amount of value, going up. However, it hasn't had a major pump like this one today, which means it is likely to drop back down and then slowly and steadily increase in value, which is what we want to see. We want the crypto to be a sustainable project. On the bright side, Bitcoin has gone over $44,000, which is an absolute crazy event, guys. Again, Bitcoin's pumped up. The crypto market is on the green side today and has been on the green side over the last couple of days as well and weeks. But there is a price correction that I'm expecting for Bitcoin by mid to late December. So yeah, just be aware of that for those of you guys getting hyped up and investing into the crypto market right now. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, and earlier today, a couple of hours ago, we did pump up quite a bit, getting very close to the resistance target, which again, I'm not expecting BitTorrent to hit the resistance target anytime soon or even head into the green zone. In fact, what I'm expecting is for it to drop back down into the lower part of the red zone over the next couple of days and weeks as well, dropping down to where it was trading over the last week. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up huge amounts, 260% in the last 24 hours, making it $227 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Of course, it's one of the top gainers according to Binance as well. It is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot of interaction is going on with BitTorrent, and a lot of people are investing into it, and those of you guys who have already invested into it and seeing our profits, they're probably taking it out. So before I go any further, just a little announcement, guys. My Telegram channel is now live. You guys can join using the link in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, I had to plug you guys with a discount code with Christmas around the corner, DEC10, for 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. Again, if you get in for that price, it will stay at that price for as long as you remember. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members as well. So what happens once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is a chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Again, I'm a long-term trader. I'm not a short-term investor, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis, but when I do, I get in at a very good price and I get out at a very good price as well. The second chat you're going to get put into is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict and so on. Mainly Bitcoin, because that's what drives the market up and down. Again, don't worry about the figures here because this is an old screenshot, and I answer your questions around other cryptos that if you guys have any analysis or prediction questions as well. But yeah, if you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. So yeah, that is my take on BitTorrent for the next couple of weeks and months as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure or lowest figure you guys are predicting BitTorrent to hit in 2023 and 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.